What is good, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. So we got another Civic vlog, K24 vlog coming up. Except in this vlog, we're not gonna be doing any engine work or anything like that. We're actually gonna be doing something to the interior. Yeah, so since I'm probably not going back to having a radio, I mean, I could if I wanted. The connections are there, they're not cut. I just have to, there's a little smaller harness that connects to the radio and all that. I'll just have to plug that back in, and I could have radio. I don't know if my speakers are plugged in actually. I don't think they are. Yeah, so since we're not gonna be running a radio, I've had this sitting in my room for I don't know how long. It's like a little carbon fiber plate. So originally, I was gonna use it for my cluster. I was planning on just not running a cluster and just having this instead right there, and then having a tablet. But I decided it would look pretty cool if we put it right here instead. So yeah, that's gonna be the project for today. I already have a tablet and all that, so yeah, we'll connect it to the on data later and we'll see how it looks. But yeah, right now let's take this off. Oh, I need to disconnect the hazards. Alright, so the whole climate control is out. It's right here. So you see those little grooves on the inside? I think that's where I'm gonna have the plate resting on. So I'm gonna have to do some cutting because it's obviously not gonna fit. So yeah, I mean, I should probably measure, but you know how we do it here. So I'm gonna just get to cutting, and then hopefully it sits in there nice and flush. This is probably a little overkill, but this is all I have, and it'll be quick. All right, so we're getting there, almost there, just a little bit more cutting, and then we should be good to go. They're gonna have to take off a little bit from the top still, and just a tad from the side. Almost there. All right, guys, it's like right there. Just need to take a hair off the top and a hair off the side, and we should be good. All right, guys, this is how it's looking. It's sitting in there without even like any glue or anything. Cut a little bit too much on the bottom, but it's okay. Still looks good. So I was looking for glue. I was gonna glue the edges so that way it just sits in there nice and doesn't come out. But I don't have any. But I did find some mounting tape, so it should work. I'll just put it along the edges, the same thing, and it should work. Alright, guys, so this is what we're looking at. It looks pretty good actually. I cut a little bit too much on the bottom, but you can't even tell once it's back on the car. I'm actually really happy with it. The mounting tape seems to be holding it pretty good too. So now it's time to put on the tablet. So I actually really like how it looks, just clean without the tablet. So I don't know, I kind of like it. It looks clean, but I guess we'll still see. Well, first it's supposed to be Bluetooth, my K-Pro V4. So first we'll see if it even connects, and if it does, then I guess we'll put on the tablet right here. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how to connect it right now, but it's not popping up. I think I might have to go on the laptop or something, but I don't know, guys. I'm really liking how it looks, just plain like that. Yeah, so if I wanted to run the tablet, all I'd have to do is just rip this off, stick it right there, and then this goes like that, and boom. That's what it pretty much looked like. Doesn't look bad. If I could only get it to connect. I just have to get the laptop, I'm sure, but honestly it looks pretty cool. I like how it sticks out a little bit. Alright, guys, let me know. Tablet or no tablet? Alright guys, so before in the last vlog, well the last couple vlogs, I was showing you guys that I couldn't go into fifth, but I was sitting here messing with it, and check this out. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I think I was trying too much to the right, and that's why I didn't go in, but I think the gears are so close to each other. Yeah, that's fifth, 100%. So yeah, so we're gonna go on a quick test drive and just see if it goes into fifth, because yeah. All right, third, fourth, fifth. Let's fucking go. And sixth. Chilling. Cool guys, so I have fifth. Sounds like my fans just came on. That's the first time I've heard them come on. Oh yeah, I already feel it blowing the air out right here. Alright guys, so I'm pretty hyped. All the gears work, my fan works. Now what I was gonna do, I was gonna replace my taillights, because you know how I need red taillight bulbs. Well, I was about to replace them, but the bulbs I got, they don't fit. Yeah, the bulbs aren't even close to fitting, not even close to the same size. So that's an L, but it's alright. Just order some ones that actually fit. Alright guys, so I took an L on the taillight bulbs, but it's alright because all my gears work, my fan works. This car is pretty much legal, ready to drive on the streets. I just need the red taillight bulbs. But other than that guys, she's solid. Just need a front windshield now, that's for sure next. I found a guy already, but yeah, I'm excited guys. Legit, she's good. Like I could drive this on the freeway right now. I think I just need to balance the wheels and get in alignment. She's pretty much ready to go. Like I'm so happy. It's been a long time coming for sure. Alright, so interior is coming along for sure. Another thing I want to do next is bring back this suede to life. I'm gonna have to clean it and probably get some like black dye and just bring this steering wheel back to its former glory. But so hyped guys. Interior looks good, all the gears work, my fans work. Like this is a car. All my lights work. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for sticking it all the way through to the end. Appreciate you guys. But yeah, you know the deal. Making some stickers. If you guys are interested, these will be on the website down below in the description box, so go check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please drop a thumbs up for your boy. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button as well. More content's on the way. I already have a part right here that I'm waiting to install, so that'll be the next vlog for sure. So yeah, hope you guys stick around, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.